Hi, welcome to Semi's Creative Flow. Today we are going to make these boomerang. It comes back to you when you throw it. So the first step is you fold it in half. You can pause anytime when I'm going too fast for you. And you have to do this very neatly.
Come on, continue.
And you fold it in half. And fold it in half the other way.
So you have torn the paper into two. So we can make how many boomerangs?
Two one
boomerangs.
Rectangular paper.
Okay, let's do it.
So first you fold in half.
Fold in half.
You need to do it as neatly as you can.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher. Are you my teacher?
No, you're my teacher.
Right.
Then you open it and fold it in half, but this time on the bottom one or the top one, and fold it not to the middle but just near the middle one.
Yeah, you need to fold it almost to the middle, because if you fold it to the middle, it will overlap to the other one. So just leave a tiny gap, like half millimeter.
And now you do the other side, and you can open the one that you have made to see the line.
What's next?
And then you get this to the other. Part. To the left side.
Yes.
And then with the closed parts, you make 2 triangles. And then you fold the other way. This time you don't need to fold it almost. You put it on the line. Next, you open everything and fold it in half. After that, open that and make X. Emphasize!
You need to emphasize the lines, right? This is one line, and then this line, the X,
Yes.
and then
Remember, X for
this
treasure.
X. X.
X for treasure. There's treasure in here. How do I dig it out?
Okay, next step.
So how you make the triangle is you first push it at the top and push this so it can stand up, and then down. And then you put this down too. So next step is put this one down and this over here, and open this one and open this one and put this in. It's almost a boomerang. Look! And then you open this and push this inside. And then there is a little pocket here, so you can put this triangle inside too. And then you do it the same the other side. So first step is hold one triangle and then another. And this. And putting this inside the pocket, and then it's ready. But after that you have to flatten everything. Now the fun part is you can decorate as anything you like. You have to flick this like a frisbee. Go! Are you looking to the sky? Okay, go to the sky.
Jangan gitu dulu tuh pegangnya.
Oh,
Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time on Sammy's Creative World.